Hi everybody, welcome to Class FitSugar. My name is Katia Pryce and I am the CEO and founder of DanceBody. Today, we are doing a 10-minute low-impact dance cardio class. I know, it's gonna be short, but very, very effective. We are going to sweat, so if you're ready, let's keep it moving. Like I said, we are going to go right into this workout today, so if you need a little bit more of a warm-up, feel free to do so. We're keeping it low today, so it's gonna be pretty safe, but if you want more of a warm-up, please go for it. Right here, take that heel to the front. Now, behind me, you'll see Brooke. Hey. And Megan. Hi. They've been with me at DanceBody for a while. It's so nice to be in LA dancing with my girls. Yes. Yeah, kind of love it. It's so much fun to work out with friends. Let's take it side. 2, 3, 4, go to the side. 2 times. Step, 2, 3, 4, go towards it. Again, keeping it low, getting that body warmed up. Step it side. Okay, right here we go. Quick pull, quick pull. Those quick feet, bringing that knee up to that elbow, squeezing those abs. Do it again. Hold. Really feel that power. It's low impact, so we have to use our arms, have to use our abs. Push it up, hit, and back. Now look at that leg behind you. Get that knee up first, then extend it. Other side, quick, slow. Driving that knee up. Give me a nice little crunch. If you want to do a sound effect, step it up, bring it back. Knee toe, press it back. Hup, back. Again, quick pull. Hup. Yeah, thank you, Brooke. Yeah. 2. Last one, we're going back to that side to side, press side. Now, draw that arm out, nice and long here. You'll notice we added a sneaky piece of equipment to the end of our arms. These are our dance bands, weighing a little bit less than 1 pound. Just enhances our workout. You know, a little extra credit for the arms and upper body, especially for low impact. Woo, yes. Probably a good idea. Just get that heel in front of you, start to use those arms, press it away for 4, 3, let's step it 4 times, side, 4, 3, 2, 1, take it side, repeat, 4, 3, 2, 1, go to that side, slide it out. Don't wake up your downstairs neighbors if you have any. Right here, going to that quick, slow. Let's go. Quick pull. Pull. There you go. Reach that arm up long and drive that knee to the elbow. Kick it up. Knee toe. Now, on the second round, try to get that leg up a little bit higher here. Left side. Let's go. Quick pull. Where's my sound effect, guys? There it is. My little cheer team behind me. Let's go. Push and bring it back. Knee, toe, bring it up. Okay, we have one last round. It's a short one. Press it side to side. Light on those feet, nice and buoyant in those knees. Let's go to those heels right here. Drive that heel forward. Add those arms, pressing into the back. 3, 2, you're quick, slow. Last round, quick, slow. Drive that knee to the elbow, abs tight. That's how we're gonna get a good workout today. Let's step it up. Push and back. There you go. The harder you kick that leg, the better workout you're gonna get. Other side, let's go to it. Hup. Drive that knee up for 4, 3, 2. Press it up right here. Hup. Bring it back. 3, yes. 2. Last one, hold it here. Inhale it up and exhale it down. Now bend those knees. We are going to our abs, everyone. All right. I know you know what that means. Oh yeah. Right here, press, push. You're bringing that chest forward and then you're pushing that arm behind you. Remember, we only have 10 minutes. Gotta make it work. Single, double. Punch it up in front of your face. Pull it down for 4, 3, 2. Abs tight and push. Press those feet side to side. Throw down for 4, 3, 2. Now that leg, front and back. Right, left, left side, go. And hit. 2, 3, push, add that arm. Nice and light we go. Front and back, again, front and back. Any leg, doesn't matter, right here. Press, push. Right now, this is where these dance bands come in handy. Start to really feel that burn. Yeah. Oh, yep. Yeah. Let's punch it here. We go. Single, double. Down in that stance. Bend those knees. Abs tight here. Let's pull it through. Right here, press it to me. We're gonna throw down one leg. Side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, front and back. We go front and back, front and back. Find that rhythm. Other leg, let's go. Throw it down. Doesn't matter what side you're on, you guys. Just make sure you do both. That's important. Both legs, very important. Back to the top, right here. Press, push. Back of that arm, fire it up. Remember, the harder you go here, the more effective workout you're gonna get. We only have 10 minutes. Let's punch it up. Single, single, double. Single, single, double. Pull it down to me. Pull, 2, 3. Press those abs right here. Throw down, side, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add that arm, press a little deeper. Front and back, front and back. Abs tight. Other side, finish it up. Hey, 2, there you go. There she is, there's my girl. Push it, front, back. Woo. Last 2, last one, and inhale it up, and exhale it down, but don't take it down too low. We are going right back up. Hear that music? That's scary music. That means we're taking that heart rate up. Let's go. I want you to add those arms. I mean, don't be scared, but be aware. Press it up, push. Now, feel the ends of your fingertips here, all the way up. Press it. Feel it, light on those feet. Abs are tight, arms are long. We're gonna twist it. Right side, we go. 4, 3, 2. Punch it across for 4, 3. Same thing again. One knee up. Tighten those abs up. Belly button to your spine, pull it through. Now we're gonna do a combo. Knee, punch, punch. Knee, punch, punch. Get down in those legs. Go a little lower. Every time, punch down. Hup. You got it. Last one, now hold it. Hold it here, lunge. Knee is over your ankle. Back is straight. Low enough, Megan? Oh yeah, feel that back. I told Megan earlier her lunge wasn't low enough, so she's going extra low right now. Let's take it forward. 2, 3, hold it, side, side. Hold those obliques. Again, press. Tuck those hips, weight in your heels. Hold it. Okay, this is kind of your intermission right now. This is where your heart rate is gonna be the highest for this class, guys. So put your game face on, this is it. I only have 10 minutes with you. We're gonna make it count. Left side, up, 2, 3. Punch across that body, push. 2, 3, do that again. That knee comes up, like you mean it. Punch it across, no half movements. We're doing this all together. Up, press through, up, drive it through. Knee, punch, punch. Get low in those legs for 4. Yep, 3, hop, 2. Hold it here, hold it. Hold, chest up, knee over that ankle. Lower, anyone? Oh, we're low. How low can you go? Hold it here. Now take it center, center. Woo. Who said low impact? Low impact does not mean low efficiency, people. All about being efficient in a New York minute. I will make sure we get this done. Okay, hold it. Okay, woo. Out of breath. We're gonna stay moving here. We have one more song, so do not stop. Feel me? Now we're gonna do a little bop. Just gonna kind of step it side, side, and you're gonna give your chest a little press forward. This is where that word dance cardio comes in your low impact workout. No one's looking. You can give yourself a nice little chest pop. Why not? Side to side, press it through. Nice, guys, looks good. Recovering back there? Oh yeah. Side, side, we go. Side, 2 skips. Hold it here, nice and light on those feet. Now hold it, we're gonna balance right here. Draw those abs in tight. That belly button is back to your spine. That dancer posture is happening. Other side, let's go. Point that toe. Exhale, bring that knee down to your hands because we're gonna push it side. Right here we go. Push and step in front. Push, step front. Now you have 2 arm options. You have Megan, who's gonna focus on the footwork, and Brooke, that's gonna get a little spicy. Yeah. Nice, guys. Back to your top. Let's do our bop. Bop it out. Pushing that chest forward, feeling that beat, letting that rhythm course through. That's what makes dance cardio so fun. You get to move to the beat. We're gonna move anyway, we might as well move well. That's right. Right? Let's push it side. Skip it for 2. Making it fun today. I only like working out with friends. This is what we do. Take it front. Now give me a little high five on that action. High five, step to me. I don't care what arm it is, just go for it. Hold it, right back to that balance. Exhale, abs are tight and hold it. Extra credit here, you're gonna keep that knee lifted. Take it back to front. Woo. Get a nice little turnout on that leg, squeeze that butt cheek. Other side, right here. Your heart rate is still high here, so this still counts as cardio. Hold it at the top. We're going to balance, take it back and front. Hear that music? We're gearing up. This means we take it to the side. Let's go. Push, press through. Push, press through. Now whatever you do, you step that foot to the front. There we go. For 4, for 3, last 2. This is right at the end. Last one. Hold it here. Bop it out. You guys, you've made it. That was it. That's all you needed for your low impact workout. That was it. Woo! I know. Is it enough sweat for you?
Oh yeah.
I'm feeling it. I love it. Give me a deep inhale it up and exhale it down. Thank you so much for joining me, Brooke, and Megan today on Class FitSugar. We hope to see you again very soon.